everybody, Mark at North Star. Today I want to give you a little rundown of how to use the environmental systems. This will be for the environmentals that are in the perspective. So you're looking at mid-year 08 and newer aircraft. They're all essentially the same as long as you're set up with air conditioning. So if we look at the blower fan up here, we have 4 different settings, or actually 5 different settings. We have off, 0. The 0 is just, so if you're in flight, you're going to have airflow just from the airflow outside the airplane. If you're on the ground, however, you're not going to have airflow. So on the ground, you're going to use 1, 2, or 3, which engages the blower fan. But in flight, it's really not necessary. All right. So below that, we have snowflake, which is our air conditioning. Beside that, we have recirculate. So we can use recirculate on the ground, but you do not want to use recirculate on the climb out or in cruise, because it will set off your carbon monoxide detector. You just get carbon monoxide buildup in the cabin if you're running recirculate in the climb or in the cruise. So on the ground, you're okay, but climb or cruise, you don't want to run the recirculate. So, and obviously here, hot or cold, pretty self-explanatory. One thing I see a lot of people do is they'll run it in this position.
Good morning.
And one tip that I offer, if you open the vent all the way up in that position, you know, it's a hurricane coming out of there, it feels like. One thing I'll do is I'll come up here and I'll split it 3 ways. By doing that, it reduces the airflow significantly. So you can have the vent open and still be comfortable, but it's not, you know, 40 knot wind in your face. So again, I just split it that way, and it reduces the airflow out of the single vents in front of you. Makes it a little bit more comfortable. And also, if we look at our draw on our Alt-1, which runs the air conditioning, so right now we're +7. So if I turn the blower fan on, see the draw jumps up. Turn the air conditioner on, it jumps up even more. So keep that in mind if you do lose an alternator. You want to make sure your AC is off, and you want to make sure that your blower fan is in the 0 position. That'll help load shed and get the temperature back down from alternator 1. Alright guys, don't forget to visit us on YouTube, North Star Aero, and on Facebook as well, North Star Aero.